Ako, activity A.
Activity?
Activity 10.
Kaya nga nag-aaral na eh.
Nag-aaral na nga eh.
Draw.
Sinunong talaga. Oh,
Read na, read.
Draw. Sinunong talaga. Triangle.
Round.
Around the
Right hand.
object
Right hand.
that will complete
Ito pa yun.
Kaya nga.
Ayun o. Complete.
its
Pat.
pattern.
Hmm.
Use your green crayon.
Good.
Triangle, circle,
Square.
square. Triangle, circle, square.
Square. Side.
Side, down,
Sige, down.
down, up, down, up, down.
Ano? Nalito ka. Up.
Up. Again. Down.
One,
Down.
Ayun.
ito,
Ano yan? Triangle lahat yan. Mahirap. O, concentrate mo.
ito,
Dalawang facing here. Isa doon. Facing down. O, ano yan? O.
Mahirap yan.
Kaya nga tingnan maigi. Dalawang arrow dito. Isang arrow papunta roon. Down. Dalawang arrow papunta dito. Isang papunta doon.
Oh, what's next?
What's next? Down.
down,
Oh. Tignan mo, pattern mo. Oh.
up, down.
Middle.
Middle.
Right.
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 Oh.
Oh, up.
Up, down.
Right.
Right. Up, down. Right. Up.
Up. Down.
Very good.
Good.
Oh,
Up.
ito pa.
Circle, square, side. Circle, square, side. Activity 11. Mark at
Right hand.
the object that will complete
Eat.
its
Pattern.
pattern. Use your orange crayon.
Pag dati kakayaw niya, ituloy mo.
Right hand.
Dali, right.
A, B, B, C. A, B, B, C. A,
Sige, okay. Good.
2997. 2997. 9.
Ang hirap naman yan. Parang sa Kindle. Parang sa Kindle. Kasi yan yung logic ng ano eh.
And
Ito pa.
Rectangle.
rectangle.
Minsan kasi ang instruction nila
Triangle,
halo.
square. Rectangle, square. Triangle, square, rectangle. And
B.
B,
Ano ba yan? And.
Nga naman.
and
B.
B, B,
Bug.
bug.
Bag.
And B, B.
Down.
Down, up,
Right.
right. Down, up, right. Down, up.
Very good si Abby.